Hi guys, David from RV Wholesalers, and here with another one of our Versus videos. This one's going to be a really quick, simple one, but it's incredibly important. We're going to be talking about whether or not you turn off your batteries, right? You have a disconnect switch in your motorhome. You're doing a lot of fifth wheels as well. But when do I turn off my batteries? When do I leave my batteries on? And a battery disconnect switch is simply this item right here. You can turn it on, or you can turn it up to off. I'm not going to do it because we're going to lose all of our lights if I do. So what's the application of this? Simply put, when we were traveling, we just went out west for a couple weeks. When we were traveling, if we pulled into a grocery store or a store, right, a national park, any place we were going to be out of the RV for a long period of time, we went ahead and turned this off. Okay, the reason we turned it off was then we weren't using our batteries with things you're not thinking about, right? There's always something that's running somewhere that's pulling juice from your battery. Nothing worse than coming out you've got dead batteries. You know, you don't want to deal with it. It's not a problem that you want to have. When we were in the coach, when we were running down the road in the coach, if we were sleeping in the coach, right, watching TV, hanging out in the coach, playing games, whatever we were doing, we leave this switch on. But again, anytime we vacate the coach. Another thing to consider is when you're not using your RV. So you're home from your trip, right? You're going to have another week or two until you're going to go on your trip. That's a great time to flip that switch to off and save your batteries. A lot of people even pull their batteries out. I like to put them on a trickle charger. It keeps them very healthy, keeps you from getting any kind of dead cells, anything like that that would cause you to have to replace them because they're not cheap. If you have any questions about this, you want to talk to one of our RV technicians, feel free to give us a call at 877-877-4494. Make sure you follow us on Facebook and please subscribe to our YouTube channel.